Yes. Say that. Hmm? Okay, no problem. So far, you know how to finish. Maybe you read before, you know how to read before. Later. Is it visual?
Yes.
Alright. Physical and online.
Yes. Fortunately, we don't have a screen, so.
Tell me like something like what's it called? A space like a hub and the school say. But outside, close to the school.
A hub, like, I think there's a private hub, like Nudex now. Next.
No, there's hope. Something like no. They are into
Embedded systems, yes.
embedded system.
Yes.
That is a way of guys are.
Where is it?
It's in Boma. Somewhere.
Something around there. There are a lot of crazy posts about them. Something like I help the community to be okay, fine. Friendship with helps and help people. Even like you see that which we used. We didn't pay anything for that place. Nobody for it. Nothing.
We don't have a place like that inside school. Unless if you go a citizen that you know or something. Even that you get it accessible with a lot of letters. Letters of management.
School management. What is it?
Hard of times.
How far? Have you applied?
For GDSE?
Yes.
Yes, yes.
But have you seen it?
If I haven't seen any mail. Yes.
Have you seen any?
No.
You guys, the form is like,
Yes.
yeah, that form is more like pre-applying, like it's not officially out yet. That form is like for you to be notified when it's out.
But the one you applied, when you applied,
Not long after
I sent you that. Just after I sent you
link for the sustainable development. No, I applied long before that actually. I think it's even last year.
the was last day.
Yes.
Hey, but you will get an email soon, sir.
Submit the video and all that.
Submit your video.
No.
So you didn't submit your video for yourself.
I don't think so. Let me see if it was my mistake.
You're supposed to submit a video for yourself. Talking about the community, thinking about what you're doing, blah blah blah. Stuff like that.
And deadline has passed.
It was, huh?
Has the deadline passed?
Yes.
Yeah, this one was one of the.
So that one was trying to look if you are like a shy type or
Okay.
maybe type. That was really all about.
Then what level?
300.
200 level. Chemical.
Yes.
300.
When should we start? Like when we have at least 10 people or more. Because there are people that have come online, but we don't have physical presence.
That's like the first thing. There's funny thing about ours. Because some people already start for the events. Why not go come to the event? Now it's 20, now it's 15. You don't know that. But what about I was screaming for space now? It's how I don't space, like for waste. The time I don't buy snacks, just bring water. Just space like that. Imagine this. I got it out to you. You put it in the past, all of you put them on the look. It's not the look of you too now.
Yeah.
Yeah.
It's okay.
Let's point.
Let me do my foot.
It's very process. You know, I actually used to apply for a job. So when you apply for a backend Python development job, which is they call it WordPress projects to do. Give them a deadline, say 2 days, and just accomplish. You know, so you do a digital marketing work. What concerns those stuff concerning backing job that I like for? See, they just want to make you have experience with those parts. So if I'm doing my backing job, I'll do those parts also. Now I think I want to always see us work out like seriously. Don't always like finish. This is energy. When I'm good, what are these?
Job, how's the presentation? Your slides going for that?
I haven't really yet.
Really?
I will be
You still have a lot of time
How
to
long is
eat.
my session?
I don't think it should last more than 1 hour 30 minutes.
1 hour 10 minutes.
30 minutes.
1 hour 30 minutes.
As if
1
it's
hour 30 minutes.
yes.
Talking about it.
It's,
Just
in case like last time when we had the meeting, it lasted longer than an hour. So that is what I'm just giving room for.
we're having 2 sessions.
Yes, separate sessions.
2 separate sessions. And the same person is going to be on 2 sessions.
No, you're on the intro.
The same audience is on 2 sessions.
No, the live coding session by favor. That one is for people that have good foundation in HTML, CSS, JavaScript. She was even talking about TypeScript still. So then the intro to web development is people that have no idea about programming at all or want to be going to web development.
I really feel like 1 hour 30 minutes is too long.
It's too long. If it closes before that, better. Just
I'll go to slide. Mostly the same.
I really hope that our physical audience will be more than the online audience. But let's give them 10 other minutes. Let's wait for like 10 other minutes.
Do you have anybody that is actually interested?
Yes. In the group, yes, like up to 15 to 30 people. Edison was saying like 33 people said they would go.
You told me so there's it was your mind.
They were going to show.
Yes.
I think even him is joining online. Let me call something.
People want to learn Tutor. The life coding session will involve creating Tutor. And Benita, you said the life coding session will involve creating Tutor. Involve creating Tutor.
Yes, yes. The just the oh. Hey Siri.
No, it takes too long.
I'm fine. So where are you now?
What's the landing
Siri.
I think so.
You're the one with the idea for the meeting now. Now you're going to miss it. You were the one with the idea for the meeting, now you want to miss it.
I'm not going to do that. I'm asking you.
Even me, that's why I voted for Wednesday, because I'm not even free on Friday and Saturday, but I just had to try. So you won't. Okay, but at least try to log in. Join the meeting online. Okay. Okay. Sorry, did you say something?
I said the life coding session will involve creativity.
YouTube, yes. The landing page. Eh,
I feel like it will be very long. It will be very long.
There's a lot of issues, but Favor chose it. She insisted. So
And we will complete in the 1 hour.
I don't know how she wants to do it.
She, okay, the girl.
Yes.
No, we're not the person now.
It's all about very fast.
I mean, consider you.
Edison just rang. Edison, can you off your mic? Simple stuff.
Like, I always say that we have to be
To do our okay, for React.
For
React response. Yeah, it doesn't require someone to
JavaScript. That's files.
The backend is stored with it.
Things like application. Application, yeah. You just Google technology. So don't tell us that it's like logging fingerprint. You just type no files on Google tools. It's like normal new file resources like you have fingerprint or two. Yeah. But you can use the file. It's kind of like
So, the web dev, the intro to web dev session and the live coding are going on simultaneously.
17th.
Simultaneously.
Yes.
Okay. I feel like it's too much
It's too much.
to have both sessions at the same time. It's too much for the audience. Like, we're loading the audience with a lot of so like you want them to. Of course, those who will be on the live promotion also want to be on the intro to web dev session.
Okay, but it's because the intro to web dev is actually, for, like I said, for the beginners. So am I assuming people that are already in intermediate level, they are going to already have that knowledge, at least most of it. It's taking knowledge. So I should cancel the live coding session.
Are you creating a different Google meeting?
There are two separate Google meetings, but are you suggesting I should cancel one of them? Yes, we'll put it in the school group and vote on it maybe. Since
I think one is okay.
one.
They are targeting you, those who are targets. Maybe they are intermediate or professionals there. Your target is what? The beginners, right?
Yes.
Look at beginners more than the professionals and the intermediate. It's true, okay. You guys should continue building and you guys should get where the professionals is.
Yes.
Sometimes I can just bring like professionals like build something like professionals. Beginners will be there, but they can just be listening.
Listening.
You understand? So today we are targeting the beginners, just one of the beginners. We are targeting professionals or internet target groups.
Okay. Now I'll have to tell Fupre then.
I thought so.
Chairman, I beg, when I want to first, weekend, from school authority, weekend, not that last student they use the because of the office, I feel it's down classroom, online, easy,
Okay. Unplanned circumstances. Okay. Okay. In the next few minutes, we're going to start. Let me go downstairs. If it's only 10 people that join, I guess we should just start.
Yeah, I'll speak to him. He said this evening.
Why are you looking so gloomy? You look gloomy. Like, is he upset or not happy?
I had a global day today.
What happened? Did it work out in the end?
Yep.
Okay. It was just for us to just plan for this semester, but everybody is disappointing me. Oh God, I hate this place. It's very noisy. I should have expected disappointment, I guess. Tell H4 seems more quiet. Yeah. Okay, let's look at H4. Oh, okay. I'm sorry that all this happened. Okay. So thank you for coming.
Let's go over there.
No. He came from PTI. From PTI. Please don't tell me they're doing tutorial again. Sorry, excuse me. Are you guys having tutorial? Yeah.
So I'm thinking, since it's online, I'll be going home. I'll do it online. Do I need to be in person?
Since a lot of us didn't come, I guess not.
It's purely online. It wasn't going to be online, right? So I'll be tied on online. And then let me go my slides for the session.
Okay. But if you can, please try to contribute to the meeting. I will start now.
Okay. I'll be tied on.
I just start then. Okay. We have only some people left the meeting again. We have about only 3 people on the meeting. So I'm just going to go ahead and go to the slides. I don't think we are going to spend up to 1 hour since we're not up to 20. I'm saying 20, we're not up to 10. Okay, welcome around. Let's go to the slides. So, our agenda for today. Your contributions are highly encouraged. Please say something. We're supposed to start with getting to know ourselves, our goals and expectations, the branding, whether we're going to have a social director or not, and your feedback. But it's only 2 people that are here now, so everybody chose to join online. I'm joining online so you can see the slides. Okay, so you can see them. No, you don't. Wait to have the camera. On the camera so everyone can see this.
Look at my face look crazy in the video.
Okay.
I don't know how my face.
Okay, hello everybody, I'm Benita, Head of Operations, Teddy. You need to show your face in the camera. Our VP. So, about 30 something of you said you were going to show up for the meeting, and we're only 3 here now. Everybody chose to be online. We're supposed to get to know ourselves. That was one of the main objectives for this meeting. Let's just continue to the slide. I don't know how this is going to work. Now, I need your input. Edison, I would like to hear from you first. What are your goals and expectations for joining the club? When you first applied, you clicked the link and you filled out that form. What did you hope to gain from the club? Edison? Roland, are you online?
I want to improve my coding skills and get to know more people that are involved in tech.
That's it. Like, in terms of your technical skills and your personal growth, what did you hope to gain? Roland, what about you? Can I hear from you? Don, Fortune, Teju as well. Marvel, can I hear from you? What are your goals and okay, Fortune has something to say. So what did you plan on gaining when you joined the club?
Okay, I have interest in coding.
Yeah.
So in joining this club, I wanted to meet up with other people that have interest in coding too, and software engineering. So in case I have any questions or I need help, I'll be able to find them easily. And especially as it's in Fupre, I'm a fresher in Fupre, so it will be easy for me to meet up with other people. Guys, people that I know are also doing coding are mostly guys that are abroad or in another location. So this is a nice way for me to meet up with them.
Okay. Royce, you joined us just now. Our question was, what were your goals and expectations in joining the club? Anyway, Fortune, do you have any previous experience with coding?
The time is
Yes,
3:00 p.m.
I've learned HTML, CSS, and I'm learning JavaScript. Then
Okay.
I also have basic knowledge of machine learning.
Okay. Good. So you work with Python
So
also. Okay, that's good. Majority of the club is
yes.
we are web developers. So Don, I would want to hear from you. Everyone has spoken. Samuel and Royce, you after. Don, are you online? Okay, Marvel is up to you. I can show you.
Okay, so I have great interest in coding. I've dabbled into several
Few people that showed
language, HTML, Python, JavaScript, even MQF4 and MQF5.
Trust even came.
But I've not been able to meet people of the same interest with me. So my aim to join this Fupre core group is to meet other people that have the same interest with me and also to grow my own interest and my own skills. So that's what I have to say.
Sorry for
Benny.
Yeah, but you can still stay. Okay. Yes. Okay, you see, people are coming and people are going because everyone chose to be online. I don't know how we're going to do it since everybody's online. Does anybody else want to answer that question? Talk about their experiences in coding or what they expected when they were joining the club. KJ? Yes.
I don't have much experience.
Okay. Well, what did you hope to gain when you joined the club?
Work as a team, most importantly, and build projects, and learn from each other.
That was actually one of my own reasons when I started the club. To learn peer programming with others. Okay. Let's see. So does anybody else have anything to say? Job?
Yeah.
Okay, Job has something to say.
So I do have programming, yes, and I was excited to join the club. To work with persons in school more precisely, and meet other persons, get to work with other persons in projects as well, and have an exciting experience with my peers in school. That's why I joined the club.
Exactly. Do you know one thing that's common in all our answers? Everybody wanted to meet other people and collaborate with them. But nobody came. We want to know other people, but we didn't come. Why? And more than half of us are in Fupre. Some of us are even staying in the hostel. And we didn't show up. That one is very close. Okay. So this was supposed to be an interactive session. I really want you guys to raise your hand in the meeting since I can't pick on anybody in the physically. So what coding projects do you have in mind? for those of us that have little experience, what did you plan on being able to do with other more experienced developers in the club? Don, Samuel, I really want to hear from you guys. Nobody. Can I still answer for the phone? Okay, Fortune raised the hand.
Okay, I have an interest in game development. So I don't know if anybody here also has an interest in that.
Okay.
That was like an area, that was one of the areas I want to go into. And that doesn't work out, I can also go into robotics.
I love your aspect of tech, the part you're interested in. But that's one of the good things about this club, though we are a growing community, we just started out, is that for now we don't have any, I don't think I've met any other person in the club who's interested in game development or robotics. But with time, when we start getting to know ourselves and we start getting popular, this is the opportunity to meet those type of people. Okay, Roland, you just joined or participating. Does anybody have any suggestions on that? Or for future events, meetings, or activities? Oh, I think we should come back to that. Let's just be as fast as possible. So from the pie charts, like I said, over 90% of the club is web developers now. But as time goes on, I believe that a lot of us are going to branch out, and we are also going to have other members in other aspects of tech. And these are some event ideas that we have. I was really hoping to hear from you guys. Did you guys have any plan of any event you wanted to have when you joined this club? Okay, Dawn, finally. Dawn, please say what you want to say. Dawn? Yes, I can hear you. I can hear you. Dawn.
Hello.
Dawn, I can hear you.
Good afternoon, everyone.
Okay.
Yeah, I'm a member of the club. But also,
Okay, your mic has a lot of noise, Dawn. Okay, a lot of noise.
I just going to see how can it better now. What do you want to talk?
It's better now. Okay, so you were saying?
Did you guys get what I said before?
No, the noise was too much, we couldn't hear you.
I'm a member of the developer with Flutter.
Okay.
Okay.
Okay, I heard you said you're a mobile app developer. Okay.
Yes.
Okay. So do you have any answers for the
I
questions that
was
we
studying
asked?
for about 3 years, and why I joined this club was that I've been thinking more like organization, or let's say there's no gathering
Exactly.
whereby they can together and then do something. So I felt like, okay, though other groups have been made before to like bring Fupre developers together, but it has not been to any success. It has not been successful.
Yes.
So I like to let me try out this one, and then I just think we can come together and then do something that, yeah, we can know that, okay, Fupre is known for that. Yeah, like there's a lot of projects to be done.
I loved your input, and that's exactly one of the motivations behind this club. We have a lot of developers in Fupri, but we don't have one body where all of us can meet up. I don't have network. I'm lost. Are you still there? Ah,
Just mention.
yes.
We're the same club right now. I'm not even connecting you. Hello, bros.
You just wasted the transport.
What's this here?
Candidates because most of them are invited.
Okay, I'll go ask them.
Wait, but see, you said they were done with it.
I think most people are tutorials.
I'll go ask the guy. I'll go ask him, I'll go check him. This person don't like him.
Person that urged me to have this meeting. Siri urged me, kept saying, we need a physical meeting, we need a physical meeting. He did not come.
What was his reaction?
Yes, I was just, for the first couple of weeks, I wanted us to just be having online meetings. Like, come, listen. Okay, I'll back up now. More people left to try, should be network.
Hello? Alpha? Do you see the meeting on WhatsApp?
By phone.
Okay. The guy that
Let's just, yes.
come here to
15 minutes,
say
I want to handle.
university, like that. Everybody check it for
We have only 7 people now.
Let's go check it and let me know the result.
Okay, so.
Alright.
Okay, so can we hear me now? Can we hear me now? I got bounced out of the meeting. Okay, let's just continue. Let's close it since we were expecting close to 30 people and we're not up to 10 right now. Anyway, and let me just go through the slides. So, some event ideas that we had was show and tell, where members can bring their own projects and give short presentations on what they've built, what they've learned, and what challenges they faced. You don't even have to have started working on the project. Just an idea, you can share it with us. I feel like this would be really effective. You just talk about, especially the aspect of tech you want to go into. Hackathons, where we can work together. Okay, let me continue. They can hear me. Or ChatGPT or Notion. Notion is a really, really cool software. It's like the futuristic version of Microsoft Word. It's really, really helpful for those of us that use Notion. And coding tutorials, this is just going to be a regular thing with the club. Any problems that we are having in a particular topic in programming, for instance, media query, I've talked about that before, that's very challenging in CSS. One of the mentors can just take it and make a short video about it, or have a meeting and just discuss about it, the problems you are facing in the particular project or assignment, whatever. And virtual field trips. Like, I was thinking that as we go, I could even invite some people that are professionals so they can talk about a typical day in their work life. For instance, people working in, Google is too far. But just people that are working, that have been in a developer for years, working in cool organizations, they could just talk about what they do there on a day-to-day basis. But as you can see, if the turnout is this low, it's going to be very, very discouraging for them if I invite them and they're not up to 10 people that will listen to their talk. Okay, moving on. So, this was supposed to be interactive. Does any of us have any long-term goals or short-term goals we have in mind as developers or aspiring developers? Samuel, can I hear from you? Samuel,
Hello?
as a developer or aspiring developer.
Hello?
Hello, can you hear me? Samuel, can you hear me? Okay, Edison, let's go over to you. What are some short-term or long-term goals that you have as a developer?
Yes, I can.
Okay. Samuel, please. So your long-term, short-term goals. Okay, if you're having issues, Edison, can you take over? Edison. Okay. Cedric, can you answer the question? Okay, on call. Some long-term and what's your long-term and short-term goal as a developer?
I am.
I can hear you.
I'm talking.
Okay, so again, what are some of your long?
Chat application, something that can be used in Fupre.
Sorry, can you come again?
Hello, are you hearing me?
I can hear you.
Okay. I said I was planning on designing like creating a chat application to be web-based. Like something that can be used by Fupre students here.
Okay, kind of like Mark Zuckerberg, right? When he started Facebook. Job, do you have any idea?
Yes.
Okay. If you have to do it, understand. Okay, so Job, I'm sure you have excellent long-term goals, short-term goals. Job, can I hear from you? having network issues upon.
Okay. Long-term goals in terms of projects.
Yes.
Or,
Projects, just yes, in your personal growth and technical skills.
hello.
Hello, I can hear you.
Hello.
I can hear you. I can hear you.
Okay. Yeah. So yeah. I do have goals.
Okay.
Yes, I currently work on the front end trying to upskill up to cloud. Yeah, to become a DevOps engineer. Yes. Of course, it's every developer's goal to work for the fund, a big company, Facebook,
Okay.
Amazon. So,
Okay. So, okay. Some great goals. Okay, so what I initially planned, for instance, our short-term goals, I wanted us, the members, to just plan it out. So you see, I left here blank for us to plan it out, but I don't know, it's for those that have no idea about it, and for us that have an idea about it, start building projects together. A lot of us know about coding, but we don't necessarily know about pair programming. That's something Siri knows about DevOps, so we can learn about Git, how we can work on projects together. That's one of the short-term goals I have for this club. Then in the long run, we can maybe have more publicity, we have more members, and just build larger scale systems, softwares, contribute to open source code, and just sorry, I'm really disappointed in doing it. Anyway, let's just go. I think the slides should be done now. Okay, so this is where we're starting out for the beginners: HTML, CSS, and JavaScript. And we actually shows web development. You can start branching out into other languages. It's when you understand how programming works, it will be easier for you to branch into other programming languages. So we're just focusing on HTML, CSS, and JavaScript for now. Okay, so that's it. It was supposed to be more interactive. I wanted to hear a lot of our ideas. I wanted to hear feedback on the club, how we can do better and stuff like that. But if any of us right here right now has any idea on that, can we still put inputs? Tejuri, Edison, Fortune, Samuel, any idea how this club can do better? Okay, Fortune, you have an idea?
Nothing much, really, just like you said, you need more physical meetups because you'll be able to see each other and talk to each other more directly. And let me say, during those physical meetups, we have like a task that we have to do. I think that should make it more interactive.
I agree. But you see what we're dealing with now. For our next physical meeting, I really would love it for those of us that are in Fupre or in Fupre environs to be able to attend the physical meeting on time. On time, that would really help. Physical meetings and online meetings can't be compared, especially because we don't like on our camera. So if I even pass you guys on the way now, I won't even know I passed you. Okay, Tejuri, you raised your hand. Tejuri, okay.
For me, I feel we need to publicize from our network.
Okay, Teju is having some network issues. Edison, you raised your hand. What idea did you have?